Hey, what's up? If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials. Now, if you have a dataset that looks something like this, where I've shown multiple departments being paid monthly salaries, and you need to show this data in a graphical way, it's very simple. All you have to do is go into the insert section on your ribbon, and there is a section called Sparklines. Click on line or column or win-loss, whichever one suits you best. In this case, I'm going to go with line. Click on it and select the data range. The data range is where you have all your data already present. Click on this down arrow right here and select where you want to place those charts. So I'm going to go ahead and select this column right here. Click back on this down arrow and click on OK. As you can see, your charts are ready as per the information on this data set. Now, if I want to change the way these graphs are represented, all I have to do is select on these graphs, go into the Sparkline section on your ribbon, and you can now change it into column, or you can even go ahead and change the way the columns are represented by changing the colors and other formatting. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps me out a lot. And subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.